Okay. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the second semester, and let me tell you that the last semester of your third year we see. So I request everyone not to miss any of the classes. Before that, am I audible to everyone? Yes, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, audible.
Okay. So I request
Yes, ma'am.
everyone not to miss any of the classes of your sixth semester. Hardly you have only three subjects theory. One it is business intelligence, which is being handled by me. Then cloud computing, another theory subject, and another which is based on the practical also. That is the web programming class. Only three theory classes are there, so I request not to miss any of the classes. Please attend each of the classes here. The pandemic period is going on and there is no manual or physical classes at it. But let's be at a home and attend the classes. Okay. So before starting to the respective subject, let me tell you what subject I'm going to take. My subject is the business intelligence, which is this is the third year where I'm handling the business intelligence subject, and it is theory based. I can say that the theory based business intelligence it is useful for you people who are going to handle the business or going to start the business in the future. Okay. Or maybe some of the students might have their own business, not everyone. Some students might have their own business and they know what idea it is, how to do the business, how their goal will be there, or how they will earn the profit, what will be the loss. And loss regarding, we can say that in this corona period, most of the people have lost their business, not lost the business, but at least there is no profit for them. So how they might have handled these all things we have to learn here. And it is completely theory based subject. Before entering into the business intelligence subject, let me tell you that the concepts are very similar, and I'm sure that you yourself will start getting confusing, either this data or that data. The data is more important in this business intelligence. And don't think that the business intelligence is not useful in the future. It is useful for your MCA if you're going to pursue the higher studies, or if you're going to study for other subjects courses like data analysis or data science or any related to the data subject, okay, or data course. If you learn the business intelligence, or if you have the concepts of the business intelligence which you are going to learn now or understand this, easily you will cope up with what course you are going to handle in the future. If you are going to prefer the job in the field of the data science, it is very useful, where you will be learning this word business intelligence, as it is related to the kind of all data. Data means what we have learned in the database management system. Same things, the data you are supposed to get in the business intelligence, how we are going to store, how we are going to format. Many things are there in the business intelligence. So don't think that the business intelligence is very theoretical subjects like a SC or like a cyber security. No, it is very interesting. And still, I'm telling you, I'm sure that you will get a confusion between the concepts. हे पण data आहे, ते पण data आहे. Yes, it is, but you are supposed to understand the fact, what this data is kind of, and what that data is kind of. You are supposed to find out the difference. Very, very easy it is. And this subject is completely like the interaction between the everyone. Okay, not like a cyber security, or you can say the software engineering also. Normal conversation between the employee and the organization, or the normal people also. Like I think, just think that you have started any kind of a business, you people, and then how you are going to manage that business here. Okay, so hope the screen is also visible. Here itself I have created the business intelligence. So in this picture, you can see the goal is there. Then after that, you can see the success, the results, plan, data, strategy, reporting, analysis, data mining. Okay. So what this it is? Goal means what? For what purpose you are going to start your own business? Okay. Then planning. How you are going to plan? What kind of a business? What kind of a product you're going to sell, or you're going to buy, or how you're going to manage it? Then data. Data is also very important. If you are going to start a single business of the product, you are supposed to write all the things data, what that product it is. That product information has to be stored in the notebook. Nowadays, if you see, it is completely computer based here. So there, all your data has to be stored here. If you are going to start selling any of the product, assume that pen, okay, pen here, gel pen you are going to sell. So you are supposed to maintain that respective data. Now, how many pens you have purchased and how many pens you are going to sell it. What is the profit of that? What is the cost of that? Everything you are supposed to maintain in what data. Then the strategy, what kind of a strategy you're going to give for that respective business. Then reporting, what the reporting it is that here. If you join any of the companies or any of the small enterprises here, no matter wherever you join or whatever, right now you are a current example itself, your project is about to start here, then you are supposed to create a report after your once the project is done here. So here also in the business also, you are supposed to maintain the reports monthly, weekly, or yearly, or quarterly here, getting how many products you had purchased, how many products you have been sold, and what was the damaged or what was the discount. Everything you are supposed to maintain in this what reporting. Then the success. The success meaning it is what whether your result is, I mean, your business is success or no. How you are going to achieve from zeroth level to the higher level, which goes on increasing and increasing. That is the success. And the results also maintain. Success means what achievement is to be done. I mean, you are able to do your business very successfully, getting like that. And the results means what, whether good results or the bad results, this will relate complete to the customer. And in this business intelligence, the customer is more important word in every aspect or the concept here. If you are having a customer, then only your business will grow. Otherwise, no, it is not here. Then for that purpose, the customer's feedback is required. We can say this customer as customer relationship management, where we will be calling it a CRM. That is customer relation management here. Okay. Then data mining. Data. You know what kind of a data is there. We will learn that. What kind of a data is there. Mining means what? Already the data is available with you people, still you are going to find out the more information of that data itself. So that is what the data mining here, data of a data here. Then after that, the next part, it is what analysis here. You are having a product business and you're going to do the business, and in that product you're going to start selling or anything kind of a business it is there. So you have to analyze whether your business will work or no, how your customers will come, how your that product will be sold here. And after that you are supposed to decide what discount you can give, how you are going to impress your customers. If you are having a bad result or your business is not working, what improvement you can do, what better performance they can do here, what extra things can be added. Everything will come is what analysis here. So business intelligence is what here. Actually, business intelligence, think two things are there. One, it is a business and intelligence here. If you are having a business, that business, how you are going to manage here, and intelligence means what, how smart you are, how you are going to grow your own business from the small organization to the large organization, very large scale integration, then after that global organization. Okay, so let us begin. One more here picture I have created for you people. Business intelligence here. See here, this is what the collection of the data or collection of product or anything. Data engineering is required for the business, how your data is going to get stored. Then storage is there here, analysis here, everything analysis should be done. Reporting analysis, results analysis, customer analysis. Then after that, reporting monthly, weekly, daily, or quarterly, yearly. These are it. And BI tools are also, it is there, the concept which is going to include in the third unit here. BI tools are there. Okay. So still, let me tell you one more thing. Still, we have not yet started with the definition of the business intelligence. You might think that business intelligence has started a subject, and still we don't have this what is business intelligence. After this kind of introduction part of this unit, and you will be having exactly the definition of the business intelligence here. What it is that here. So let us begin the first unit. That is the business view of information technology applications here. How the business is going to get applied in the IT field. IT field, you can say that those people have selected for the Wipro, Infosys, or any other company. Maybe TCS, there also the business it is there. So that business, how they're going to get applied in the information technology here. So let us begin. In your first unit, what are the things are there here? What are the synopsis and what are the titles are there? The first thing it is what business enterprise organization. Okay, business enterprise organization here. No matter whether it is a small business or a large business here. In every organization or in every business here, we will be learning what are the functions of your business, and what are the core businesses here. From this related point, the question will arise in the examination, especially explain the business core functions here, core business processes here. Okay. Then in the first topic, you will learn how you are going to start your business and what are the things going to be included here. From I can say that from single man, one man army business to the large number of people in your company. If you're going to start a business alone, if your business grows on increase and increasing, where your results will get very good, then you are how you are going to manage alone. Many customers are coming, so that time you are supposed to think of having a partner, right? Or any of the people, group of 5 or group of 6 people. So your business also can be handled, and you can achieve this what satisfy the customers also here. So it is from the small organization to the large organization. You can say it as a global. Global means what corporate companies also here. Okay. So in this, you will learn what are the functions and what are the core businesses here. Then second topic, Balrish Business Excellence Framework. This question was arised last year. Balrish Business Excellence Framework. This what for 10 marks. You know what is the Balrish here? You are supposed to now your this what project work is there. If people are sending us this what synopsis, right? So the synopsis are getting sent us according to the structure. You will give your title, then you will say objective, right? And after that, you are providing us what are the features and what are the hardware and the software requirements. So this is the format. This is the structure here. You are giving us a synopsis structure for. So here also the Balrish Business Excellence Framework. That is like a one competitor here. It is a competition organization is there. According to those people, higher level people. Now we will say that normal movies. Now no movies are getting released, but once the movies has got released, after watching that, you people will say that 5 star, 4 star, 3.5 star reviews. You can say it as a review here. Based on the working of that movie reviews and the everything structure here, you will provide the result, right? You will say that it is very fantastic, excellent, 5 star had come, this had come, that come. So here also in the Balrish Business Excellence Framework, when you are going to take a part in the business, I mean competition of the business here, you are supposed to follow the rules from your first step to the 7th step here. Like I can say 7 steps are there. How you are going to plan out your leadership, who is the leadership in your company, how that leadership is being handled. Then after that, you will learn what is the strategic planning, how your products are going to get work out, who are the people going to sell that, and who are the customer. Then again, third step, it will be like a customer focus. Here we have a diagram also. Based on that, I will tell you, not a problem. Now, this in a simple way, I'll tell you what this Balrish Business Excellence Framework it is. That it is like a competition. Now, again, one more example I can say, our college itself, it is getting participated in what NAC it is there. So NAC it is not only of your student result. It is going to check the entire process, our college infrastructure, our college staff, then our college students. After the student performance is there, then after that accounts will be there, like finance department. Everything it is getting checked and the result will be provided by the NAC here. Okay. So here also the same way for any kind of a business it is there. The Balrish Business Excellence Framework of 7 steps will be followed to achieve your business here. I'll be showing that the diagram, not a big deal in that. Then next it is what third part, key purpose of using IT in business here. how you're going to use that information technology in your business, how you're going to apply here. Now, Wipro company is completely based on this what business also here. Some of the products are going to get sell. If you take a LED bulbs or the lights here, their small symbol will be there. See, applying thoughts, which is being by is being sold by the Wipro people here. So that how the IT is going to get included in your business. The connected world characteristics of here. The question will be asked by the in the examination as explain the characteristics of internet ready IT applications or bespoke IT applications. This was not asked the last year, but hopefully this year it will come here. Okay, how the characteristics of internet ready IT applications will be there. Like again, information technology characters will be applied in business. Very easy, not that difficult. Then third part, it is what information users and their requirements. Who are the users in the business related to the information technology? How they are going to use that? Uh, I mean, if Sanjana and Ajay they are going to do the business, so how they are going to get collect the information and apply this what IT based on the IT, how they are going to manage it like that, their requirements. And the main part. So let me tell you here, till here, information users and the requirements still here. This is your first part of your first unit. Only this will be related how your business is going to get work, what kind of a business you're going to do, how what are the functions of that business sufficient. Then the next part it will be starting as a digital data and its types. So as I have told you in the beginning, if you get clear with the concept of the business intelligence, it is very easy for you people to pursue any course like a data science or any other related to the data subject here. Getting so here from here this will be starting digital data and its types. What is the digital data and its types? So its types are like structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. As one more thing I had told you that you people will start getting confusing. This is also the data, that is also data. But you are supposed to find out the difference. So here it is what confusion part will get start here. Structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. Every other question will arise. What is a digital data? Mention it different types or explain the structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. And the last part of this unit it is what difference between the semi-structured and structured data. Very, very easiest concepts are there. So we shall begin with the first two or first topic today. Let us start. Business enterprise organization. Can anyone tell me what is business? Yes, anyone? Indra Bhushan, you can tell me what is business?
No idea.
Business, what you can give me any kind of a definition, what you know that you can tell me. Someone has given me the answer. I want orally. No message, please.
Organization.
Any other?
Organization, ma'am.
Yeah, organization ho gaya, but what business you're going to do it?
Trading of money and things.
Exactly. For the purpose of you're going to do money also, for the purpose of some learning the things, how to start here, how to have a relationship with the customer to grow the business, everything here. Business is not only of money, but it is of the main thing, it is what product or the services. You can start the business for selling the product, or you can start the business for giving the service, or you can start the business for both the things like a product or services. You think about this what any of the Honda showroom here, where the people are doing the business, they are not only selling the bikes, they are selling the bikes also, they are giving the services also here. If you go to the small garage of this word by here, what they are doing, what kind of a business it is, they are only servicing the bikes here. So that is also one kind of a business. So here the business is not of only money. It will come later. It is of what either you are going to sell the product or you're going to give the service or both the things. Both the things means what? It is a product also and the service also here. If you go to any of the showroom like Harsha or this what Reliance Digital here, there also, there they will say, if you purchase a washing machine from us, it is very good. And if thing goes wrong, we will be providing the services also. In some of the showroom, what happens if you purchase a washing machine from that respective showroom, and something goes damaged, you will call to those people. You will say that आमच्याकडे nahi hai service. They will, you have to go to other party here. So what is happening here? The product is getting sold and the service is also getting given to the customers here. So here it is what product and service or product or service or both the things here. Come to the point. You can choose any of the domain for your business, like retail, normal purchasing of the products. You will be taking any of the products, groceries, anything here. So retail, it is there. Retail or wholesale. So that will come. Banking is also one of the business. Some of the students or some of the people will say that bank is not a business. No, it is a business here because of the bank also. Many things are getting worked here. If those people also will say that business करायचा आहे, business करायचा आहे. Let me give the example of just a minute. So don't think that banking is not a business. Banking is also the business here. Some of the employees will be sitting in the bank and they will working on the systems. They will be taking the cash deposit, everything. So for them it is a business here. Some of the people will go out. They will open the accounts here of having the crores or lakhs of money. So for them it is a business here. Visiting the customer, it is a business here. Then manufacturing company. We are from the Belgaum, so we have the Udyambag industry. So there is also the manufacturing companies there. That is also one kind of a business. The transport. You can start the business of your transport also, like a vehicles here, travel agencies here, and energy. Okay. Then what happens? So this respective, whatever the examples we have taken the domain, it can be retail, it can be banking, manufacturing, transport, or energy. Now what in this itself, we can say either product or service or both. Okay. Now retail means what we are, we are giving the product, selling the product here. So there we can sell the product also, there we can provide the service also here. Now banking is also is there. Bank, some of the banks are of every functions it is there here, like depositing it there, then withdrawal it is there, giving the loans also it is there. They will be saying no, personal loan, car loan, everything. Otherwise, what happens in some of the banks, only this kind of a loan will be there, some of the percentage will be there. So that is also there. In the manufacturing company also, Vega can take a best example of this what Vega also. Helmets are getting manufactured or prepared from the Vega itself, and those people are selling the helmet also here. So that is what is happening. The product and the services, this both is there. Transport. I have said that Honda showroom, they will sell the bikes also, they will provide the services also here. Okay. And next one, what exactly it is there? These all things are there, retail banking. They need the functions like a product, service, research. To start a respective business, if you people are going to start up the this one grocery shop, you are supposed to do a study on basis of what product you're going to sell here, what kind of a grocery shop you're going to do here. If you want to start the ice cream parlor, you can start the ice cream parlor. If you want to start the cake, nowadays most of the people are preparing the cakes, and for them also they have to start studying, research. They have to do it. What kind of a cake they have to do. Otherwise, the boys also they will be handling some of the this what the live example I can say in the lockdown period, most of the students might have learned different kind of a languages. If they're going to start their own business, they have to think what kind of a business, or to start the online classes also, they have to think what kind of a subject or the course they have to think about that here, how they're going to manage it. So it is what product research, then product manufacture, service delivery. Now, one more example, best many live examples are there here. Delivery services also there. As the small organization people, small village people, those people are selling the vegetables here. In the starting few years back, we can say 1.5 years back, what was the situation? We were used to go to the market and we were used to take that vegetables. But now what is there here? Door to door delivery is there here. Live example, best example, every Sundays we used to go to purchase the mangoes from that mango marketplace here. Getting some, I don't know how many of them students might go to that marketplace and purchase. But now what? Door to door delivery it is getting. Why? That is also the business here. So you can say that product delivery or service delivery it is there here. Quality assurance should be there. If you're going to start any business here of product in the retail, especially, you are supposed to make sure that you provide the quality assurance. Purchase should be there. If you at the beginning itself you start purchasing for a large amount or a high amount, nobody will purchase. To sell that respective product, you are supposed to think how you are supposed to catch the customer and sell that product here for what price here, so that the customers will satisfy and they will get impressed to come near you itself after for the second time also. So that is also matters. फक्त product sell करून उपयोग नाही. You are supposed to think of the customer also here. What kind of a product is interested, customer is interested in taking that product. You are supposed to think also that also. Okay. Then distribution, sales, marketing, finance. Finance is more important. If you provide 100 rupees, you are supposed to get a profit of 120 rupees. So that 120, how we are going to manage that also you have to think. Sir, business means sir, sell karna, purchase karna nahi. You are supposed to think about the sales, marketing, finance. These are the three important here. Finance and marketing. Afterwards, customer relationship management will come here. Okay. Then after that, so once you have started the business, your business will grow, then your business will increase, more money is coming. So we'll start thinking, आपला business खूप चांगला व्हायला लागलाय. We have to manage some more. Assume that you have started one man army business here, and within a month you have got more customers. More and more customers are coming, and what you people will do after the customers are getting visited at your shop or at your organization, it is getting difficult for you people to manage all the customers. So your idea it is what? You have to hire one more employee or one more person to join for your business. So again, it will go on increasing. So that time, what you have to do? You are supposed to decide what can be done, what support can be done, what planning can be done here. So these are the things here in your business also here. So like this way, what happens if your business goes on increasing from a single man army to this what 100 of employees are there, 100 or 50 employees, assume that here. Once the 50 employee joins in your company or organization, any organization, if I say organization, you have to think that it is completely based on IT, and a small organization like a retail or any other, that's separate, you have to keep it. So you can take example of this what Honda showroom or DMart or Big Bazaar are like I will be always taking the example of a DMart or Big Bazaar. So if you are having a Big Bazaar, there only one man will be not there, not only five people will be there here. So some of the employees will be working at the backside, I mean to arrange all the products where the product has to be kept here. Some employees will be working on the bill counter where they're working completely based on the laptop, taking the product and billing that purpose. They're scanning the product, everything. Some employees will be, as I have told you, scanning. So that barcode has to be provided correctly and inserted in this what laptop, I mean data here. We have discussed the data also here. Then some of the employees should be there for monitoring whether the products are getting I mean getting sell, which product is very less, which product we have to add up here. So that is there here. More employees will come, more people will come in the organization. So that time what is required in the business, it is what HRM, where it is called as a human resource management, then ITM, which is called as a information technology management. Human resource management means what? You are supposed to hire the employees when your business is getting increased. I mean, business is getting worked out more. Profit ke paas hai. So you are supposed to think about the human resource management here. ITM. If you are first now you know what, few years back, 10 years back, if you were used to go to the grocery shop, what they were used to do, they were used to provide this what all the bills handwritten. Rice 10 kg equal to so and so amount, then dal equal to 5 kg equal 5 into so and so amount equal to total. They were used to write and they were used to give the bill. But now if you visit to any of the grocery stores, we are getting this what printed bill here. Why? That is being included. This what information technology software has been inbuilt in this what in the small grocery shop also, where they are having the this what we can say laptop based services. If you go to the restaurant also, 20 years back, they were used to give the handwritten bill, idli vada, so and so. But now if you go to any of this what restaurant, Uday Bhavan, all the printed results will be there. Why? This is because of the information technology here. And after that, customer relationship management, which is a CRM. How we are going to manage the customers? If your customer is visiting repeatedly after 10 times or 100 times, normal example, we can say for the big bazaar. If your shopping is done for 2,000 rupees, we will give you so and so amount cashback. Getting why? Because that both customers are getting visited. One more point, whenever we go for billing purpose, they will ask us, do you have a big bazaar card or Reliance card? We will say. If you have, the points will get increasing. If your 100 points are there, they will give you the discount. So that will come under the customer relationship management. It is being handled by the company or organization. Satisfaction should be there here. Repeated customer should come. A new customer should come. Everything you have to check here. Then partner management. What exactly the partner management? Partner management is not a person who is going to help you or support you in the company. No, it is what now an organization is there or a company is there. If you go to this what universal shop, normal universal shop, there we will uh, this what purchase raincoats, everything. But you know what? In the universal shop, we take the helmets also. So those helmets, some of the helmets are mega helmets. So the universal company or the universal this what organization is getting connected with the Vega people also. So that is what called as a partner management here. Getting uh, otherwise, you can start thinking of the Honda showroom or manufacturing of this Udyamga company. It is there here. There, most of the parts are getting constructed, right? So some tire or any of the screwdriver, anything like bike or car parts are getting worked. You can think of this what ACUS company or ACUS, which is the Hattargi. In ACUS company organization, aeroplane wings are getting manufactured. Aeroplane wings, getting flight wings are there. So to manufacture or construct entire flight, the wings of that flight here are getting hired by the ACUS company here, which is there in the Belgaum here. So all the wings based on the Indian flights are getting taken by the ACUS company here. Getting so that will become a partner management. We will say it on normal as in product आलेले नहीं आहे. Partner management it is there and so on. Okay. Then organization of typical business is represented as in the olden days how your company was there or how your organization there. So that I'll be presenting. So here, so this is your company enterprise. You can say enterprise also, you can say organization. Then here company planning. How your business is going to get started. So that company planning you have to do. Marketing. To start a business, you will say no that how my customer will come in my shop, this everything. Now if you see today generation in your social media, this what marketing, most of the pages are what created in the Facebook. Immediately you will start posting. So and so products are there. Visit, drop message for orders. So today generation it is there, but here in the olden days, what was that marketing? How we are going to do the marketing? We were used to throw the pamphlets, visit the shop, so and so. But now what? Facebook, everywhere social media is there. Then sales, how we are going to sell that respective product. Finance, how management of the finance here. Then customer relationship management, and here information management means what kind of a product you are going to do, that information. And human resource means what here, how many people are there in your organization. So this is the typical जो पुराने जमाने में था, कैसे था company planning, marketing, sales, finance, customer relationship management, information management, and human resources. So this is the today's class. One more here, you can have a look here. What is the business model? So what business you can do? Target the customer, partner, network, competencies, infrastructure, management, value, configuration, cost, distribution. And I've told you that what exactly the business here, or an organization that provides goods and services, I mean products and services to customers who wants or need them here. Main part is what product and services here. If you are going to think about the business, only business is there. You are supposed to require need the infrastructure also. If you're going to start the IT small company of giving the printout for the students, so for that also you need the infrastructure. One room you require, table, chair, computer, light system, everything it is coming in the business here. So for the time being today, only this much is sufficient. Start giving the attendance and you can leave my class here. You have less than 1 minute. Please start giving the attendance.